Hi everyone, welcome to Pampered Chef Live. I'm Erin and I'm so glad that you're here with us today. Today we're gonna be making cauliflower nachos for the big game, and you'll get to see some of our products in action while picking up some new cooking hacks and mealtime inspiration along the way. Now that we're on YouTube, these episodes are easier than ever to find, watch, and share with others. You can chat with us live or watch later on your own schedule and rewatch as many times as you'd like. Just head to our YouTube channel or the live events page on our website and you're all set. If you're watching live, be sure to hop into the live chat and say hello. And if you're watching the replay, you can still join in on the fun conversation in the comments section on YouTube. The live chat does close once the event is over, but comments stay forever. And since we love making things easy for you, you can also shop directly from this video. Just check out the link in the description to visit our website and try out our interactive shopping experience. Before we jump in, don't forget to take the quick survey. You can find it on the live events page on the Pampered Chef website. We have weekly giveaways for viewers who fill it out, so don't miss your chance to enter. All right, are you ready? Over to you, Sandy.
Hey everyone, welcome to Pampered Chef Live. So glad that you're joining us this evening. My name is Sandy and I lead the culinary team here and I'm so excited to cook with you. Happy February. February is the time for yummy and fun game day snacks. But what about all those healthy food resolutions maybe you made last month? Well, we are gonna make something fun and cheesy and delicious, but we're not gonna forget about nutrition or any of those healthy goals. Because we're gonna be making cauliflower nachos in the deluxe air fryer and oven. So good, you could actually make this with any sturdy vegetable, maybe like bell peppers. And another fun tip, you could actually do it with half tortilla chips and half cauliflower if you wanted to do it that way. But I think we're ready to get started. Let's get cooking. We're gonna start by preheating our deluxe air fryer and oven. Did you guys know this is actually one of our top sellers just because it could do so much. It has two different compartments. You can actually sync finish, so you can make two different things at the same time so they come out at the same time. And this setting that I'm using today is one of my favorites. It's called the Heat and Crisp. So you set it at one temperature and then at the last 5 minutes of cooking, it revs up to 450 to get your food nice and crisp. It's a really great setting for cauliflower and broccoli, things that you want to cook and get crisp without burning them. So I'm going to set it to 375. I love how you can adjust the presets. And then we're going to go 16 minutes. And it's just going to tell us when it's done. It's going to preheat, only take about 3 or 4 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and prep our cauliflower. So cauliflower is going to come with a lot of these little green pieces that you can just go ahead and pull right off. If you watched the last Pampered Chef Live of mine, did cauliflower again. I love it in the winter months because it does have a lot of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, and it's so versatile. So I'm gonna just trim this core just a little bit. I've got my Foundations chef's knife because it's my very, very favorite. The Foundations knives come with 4 different knives, really curated with those knives that you need to get started in your kitchen. And I love it because you could take this with you on the road. If you're camping, going to an Airbnb, it comes with a bread knife, a utility knife, and a paring knife. And then this block is convertible. So you could fold it up and put it in your drawer. Lots of versatility. So what I'm gonna do with this cauliflower, instead of just breaking it up into florets, I'm gonna cut it into steaks so that I get smaller pieces of cauliflower with good surface area. Put in the comments if you guys have this knife. Oh my goodness. It just cuts so smooth and easy. Okay, we're gonna start with that. And then at this point, we'll just cut, some of the pieces just come right apart. And I love like that flat, you want that flat surface area if you can. More room for the cheese and beans and all the yummy stuff to get in. And then that core, did you know that you can actually eat it? You could slice it up and eat it. It actually takes just a little bit longer to cook than the florets, but there's nothing wrong with slicing it up and using that. Tastes just like cauliflower. And all these little small bits, put those in there. They don't all have to be perfect. Again, I'm just gonna kind of cut this core away and try to keep these flat pieces. Cooks nice and even. See that little flat surface? It's gonna get roasty toasty. And you want them about bite-sized pieces like nachos. If you like them smaller, you could do that too. So pretty nice. A whole small to medium head fit perfectly on this sheet pan. The sheet pan comes with the deluxe air fryer. I'm gonna just toss it with a little bit of oil. And then this part is important. Because cauliflower is such a blank canvas, it really takes on the flavor that you season it with. I'm gonna put a little everything taco and chipotle. These are two of my favorites. Do about a tablespoon of each. Ooh, look at all that bright color that adds. So pretty. I love chipotle. It's got that little smoky flavor to it. Okay, and my air fryer beeped, so it's already ready to go. I'm gonna put this in, and then the last 2 minutes, I'm gonna preheat my broiler so that it can brown the toppings once I put on the beans and cheese. Okay, now we can prep our toppings, which I think is the best part. We've got some black beans. I'm gonna show you our can opener. Do you know this was actually designed for both lefties and righties, which is really cool. And of course, it leaves no sharp, jagged pieces behind. Super safe, smooth edge can opener. And then it's got this little claw. You guys see that little claw right there? That's gonna go ahead and grab it. No jagged edges. And did you know there's also a can opener right there? So many functions. Love it. And then we've got our can strainer. We're gonna go ahead and drain these and rinse them. I love this little tool because when you go ahead and rinse and drain your beans, you can rinse up to 40% of the sodium on your canned beans. So that's pretty cool. So this is done. Now let's grate our cheese. So for any kind of nachos, you need to grate your own cheese so that it melts really, really well. I like to keep my cheese in the fridge till the very last minute, and I have our adjustable double grater, which gives you super coarse grates and super fine grates. Now the super coarse ones not only make for great snacking, but they melt really well. So you saw this can stand on the container that it comes with, but it also comes apart, which is really cool. And you could stand this on a bowl and just grate like that. Now when you do that, just make sure you've got your safety protectors on. Now I have it back together. Guys, look at the size of these. If you're someone who likes to snack on cheese, come on. It is so nice. When your cheese gets a little closer to being done, you want to put on the food holder, throw the cheese right in there. Keep going. Okay, our cheese is all set. I love how also it folds flat for super easy storage. Okay, then we've got some jalapeno and some radishes. But actually, I want to show you how you could take this core of the cauliflower and slice it pretty thin. So on our rapid prep mandolin, I have it on the slice setting. We've got slice, julienne, and fry cut, and then 1 to 8, 1 millimeters, all the way to 8. So many different things you could do. Of course, perfect French fries is my favorite way to do it. Sweet potato fries, regular fries. I love to julienne carrots in here. There's just so many options. So I'm gonna put that little core in there. And then just slice it really, really thinly. You could even snack on those. So nice to use the whole vegetable. Okay, so let's throw in some radishes. Put in the comments, would you guys use radishes as a nacho top? I love radishes, especially when they're cut really thin. And look at how quick and easy this makes it. Whoop. Oops. Okay, then we've got some jalapenos. I love doing the jalapenos in here because then you don't really have to touch them and worry about the seeds because you're just throwing them right in here. Okay, we've got about 2 minutes left. I'm gonna set the top oven to broil. Just hit top, go all the way to broil. And we're gonna set it for 3 minutes, which is the default. Guys, how good is this looking? We got a lot of roasty toastiness. So we're gonna top with our beans. Really, however much you like. All the cheese. And it's interesting, all I smell right now is really those seasonings. Like sometimes cauliflower can be really strong and smell, but really I just smell the chipotle, the smokiness. So the broiler's ready. I'm gonna transfer my rack up here. And add the food, just for about 3 minutes. Guys, I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna top with my radish and my jalapeno first. I love how the radish just gives it a little pop of color, a little bit of crispness. Again, put in the comments, what else would you guys? I've got some Greek yogurt or sour cream, a little guac, cilantro, maybe some fresh tomatoes. How pretty is that? I like spice, so I'm good with the jalapenos, but you could always do the pickled ones too. Those are a little more mild. I am excited for a little snack here. I think your party guests would be super excited for this. We're gonna do a little bit of Greek yogurt, a little bit of guac, some cilantro. Yum, well, thank you guys for watching. Why don't you put in the comments if you have your eye on one of these or all of these products. I hope you have an amazing February. And see you really soon. Stay well.
Okay, I wanna share some amazing offers happening this month that you do not wanna miss. First, host a party and get rewarded with 60% off select meal prep MVPs, like the incredible deluxe air fryer and oven, or the iconic rapid prep mandolin. So why not give hosting a try and empower the way you cook with these rewards? And speaking of stocking up for less, we have an incredible 15% off sale on soon-to-be discontinued products. This is your last chance to get these products in your kitchen because once they're gone, they're gone. So don't wait. You know what else you shouldn't wait on? Starting your own side hustle. Now is a great time to become a Pampered Chef consultant, and you can start for less this month with our electric twist and chop kit for just $30 in the US or $40 in Canada. The twist and chop blends and chops ingredients in seconds. The blade rotates inside the bowl for a more even chop, and they also move up and down for faster, more even results. This product is a fan favorite for a reason, and now you can get your own and start your business all in one. Major win-win. To learn more, reach out to your consultant or head to the Pampered Chef website for more information. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you want to rewatch this episode or catch past and upcoming episodes, you can find everything right here on YouTube or on our live events page on the Pampered Chef website. Before you go, don't forget to fill out the survey for your chance to win this week's giveaway. It only takes about a minute, and your feedback truly helps us shape future shows. We'll be back next week with another great recipe and more tips to make mealtime easier and more fun. Until then, happy cooking, and we'll see you soon. Bye.